Hey guys, wanna know how to add fade ins and fade outs in Audacity by just using the envelope tool? But in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. So let's get right into it. First off, launch Audacity and import any track that you'd like. Now I have this track right here, and now to select the envelope tool first, just simply go on the menu and search for two dots with a line. It's right here. Now click on it. You can either press F2 to enable it as well. Now you can see a line pop up right here. Right, so what you can easily do is just left click on it and then drag it, hold and drag it. Now this will create a point, right? And now to create another point, just simply hold and drag it again. Now here you can see the waveform is changing and is slightly increasing at its own. And this is a fade in, right? As you can see right here, the waveform is increasing slowly. That's how fade in works. Now for fade outs, create a point again right here, it's a random point. And what you can do is just simply hold and drag another point from here. You can just adjust it any that you like, and there is another point created that works as fade out. It's the same as fade in, just a little bit different. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.